Hi, it's Fanny of Living Rich on a Budget. If you're thinking about what kind of accessories you need for an Instant Pot, this is a video to watch. The accessory that I cannot live without is a vegetable steamer basket. And the kind I have, I got it from a health food store a long time ago. You can get these on Amazon. I have a link to it below. This is just so handy because it has very little holes so that when you put vegetables on it, nothing goes through. I've cooked broccoli, carrots, green beans, asparagus, any kind of vegetable you can think of. And you can also use this in a regular pot. What I like about this is it's adjustable, so when you put it in the pot you can open it up for more vegetables. And I've also used this in my wok where it's bigger, so I can open it all the way in my wok. So this is just super handy to have. Another accessory is people complain about their ceiling ring smelling from transfers of food. It's nice to have an extra ceiling ring because you can have one for savory foods and one for sweet foods. But here's a handy tip in case if you don't want your ceiling ring to smell. After I clean my Instant Pot, I store my lid upside down so that the ceiling ring has a chance to dry and air out, and it never really smells like anything. If you're thinking about making popcorn in the Instant Pot, a cool thing to have is a clear glass lid. What's cool about this lid is it's good for making popcorn, but you can also use this for saute mode if you want to saute and you want to cover it for a moment, or if you're doing slow cooker mode or making yogurt. And it's also good for storing something. So say you want to store soup or something really big, you can take out the liner and just put the lid on and put it in the fridge. So this is cool to have. Which brings me to the next thing. If you're thinking about getting a second Instant Pot and it's not in your budget right now, a cool thing to have is a second liner. And why is a second liner cool? Because if you're cooking something in Instant Pot, you can prep the next thing, just dump everything in this liner. And then so when this is done cooking, all you do is switch liners. You don't have to wait to wash this liner and prep again. So it just saves time. I recommend the liner that's from the Instant Pot brand. If you're thinking about making creme brulee, custard, or another dessert in the Instant Pot, a good thing to have is ramekins. And these are cool because you just put the trivet on and you just put your ramekins in, and there you go. If you're one of the millions of people who want to make cheesecake, a cool thing to have is a springform pan. This one's a 6-inch because I had it already before my Instant Pot. You can either get a 6-inch or a 7-inch for cheesecakes. A 7-inch is slightly better because you don't have to cook it as long in Instant Pot. Here are some other items that are on my wish list. This egg steamer rack that's stackable. It's good for cooking like a lot of eggs. This is a silicone egg bite mold. It's good for making the Starbucks egg bites. There's a silicone lid cover that seals the Instant Pot. Good for storing in the fridge. Here is the 7-inch springform pan for making cheesecake. I also found this the other day. It's a counter, like a marble design counter that's you put on top of your stove, like your range. So you could put your Instant Pot on top of this thing so that you don't burn your Instant Pot. You've seen a lot of pictures in the Instant Pot group where people have burned their Instant Pot. By putting it on their stove, the button gets accidentally turned on and then they melt their Instant Pot. This is a new thing that I've seen, so that protects your Instant Pot. There's a steamer basket with removable dividers, so you can cook different vegetables in Instant Pot at the same time. My favorite thing about my Instant Pot is a decal, and you can find these on Etsy. What are your favorite accessories for the Instant Pot? I would love to know, so comment below. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe for more cooking videos. See you next time. Bye.